Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ali Sir Maths. Today we discuss important questions to tomorrow exam math SSC. सीक्वेंस में फर्स्ट LAQ देखेंगे, लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस, शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस एंड वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस. So a student where they have to start studies. First LAQ questions, लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस में जो आपको फर्स्ट पढ़ना है, फर्स्ट स्टडी करना है आपको ग्राफ्स. ग्राफ्स थ्री टाइप के ग्राफ्स हैं हमारे पास. द फर्स्ट वन पॉलिनोमियल, सेकेंड वन पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल, थर्ड वन है लेस देन टाइप, मोर देन टाइप, फ्रीक्वेंसी कर्व, ओजाइव कर्व. Student, these three graphs are important. You study polynomial graph, parabola most of the time. Second graph, pair of linear equation in two variable, two straight line will be there. Third one is the less than type, more than type, cumulative frequency. First of all, you have to complete the study graph questions. Second part, it is also comes under the visualizing and representation skill. The second part is a construction. Go through the construction questions. Construction, the first construction question from similar triangle. The second construction question from tangents and secants of a circle. Construction of tangent. So these two type of the construction questions you have to practice. Similar triangle, another one is a tangent and secants of a circle. Okay, these two questions have both as compulsory. Sure, anyone graph will come and anyone construction will come. Third one, you have to study statistic chapter. इसमें पढ़िए मीन, मीडियन, मोड. मीन मीडियन मोड में इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है सर? मीन के अंदर थ्री मेथड है, ग्रुप डेटा में डायरेक्ट मेथड, स्टेप डिविएशन मेथड, अज्यूमिंग मेथड. मीडियन में ग्रुप डेटा है, ग्रुप डेटा पढ़ लीजिए अच्छे से. इसके अंदर खास तौर पर क्या बताया हमें? डिसकंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म को कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके सॉल्व करना. थर्ड वन है मोड, मोड ऑफ ग्रुप डेटा. सो तीसरा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास क्या है स्टैटिस्टिक्स में? मीन मीडियन मोड. फोर्थ स्टडी करना है आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी. प्रोबेबिलिटी में से लॉन्ग आंसर आने के चांसेस है. क्या हो सकता है प्रोबेबिलिटी में? रोलिंग ए टू डाइस, rolling a two dice, first one. The second one, cards question. Cards, 52 cards already we have studied. 52 cards having 4 swords, 13 hearts, 13 diamond, 13 spades, 13 clubs. ये जो क्वेश्चन है कार्ड्स का इंपॉर्टेंट है बहुत. ठीक है, कार्ड्स का क्वेश्चन पढ़िए. रोलिंग ए टू डाइस, हाउ मेनी चांसेस टोटल? यस, 36 चांसेस. All chances we have to write in order. How to write in order? Suppose example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 1, 1, 1, 2. ऐसे पेड्स बनाते जाइए. टोटल कितने पेड्स आएंगे? 36. So ये rolling at two dice, the total completely is very important. 36 chances are there. The second one is a card. In a deck of cards, 52 cards, 4 swords, 13 heart, 13 diamond, 13 spades, 13 clubs. So hearts and diamonds are red color. HD, remember, hearts and diamond red color. Spades and clubs are black color. So more chances one question come in probability. These two type of question. After study these questions, come to the first chapter, real number. So what is the important question in real number? Real number, LAQ. Use Euclid division lemma. Use Euclid division lemma. Show that square of any positive integer is of the form 5p, 5p plus 1, 5p plus 4, or second one, square of any positive integer in the form of 3p, 3p plus 1, 3p plus 4, or any question will come. Next one, use Euclid division lemma. Prove that cube of any positive integer, cube of any positive integer is of the form. क्यूब में कौन सा फॉर्म हो सकता है सर? फर्स्ट हो सकता है 9m, 9m प्लस 1, 9m प्लस 8, और सेकेंड चांस क्या है? 7m, 7m प्लस 1, 7m प्लस 4। ये फर्स्ट यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा में स्क्वायर में ही आ सकता, क्यूब में ही आ सकता, स्टडी कर लीजिए, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। एलएक्यू में लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन, लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन में कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन? एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल। ठीक है, इसमें क्या करना सर? यू हैव टू ड्रॉ वन ट्रेपेजियम, राइट द पॉइंट्स इन ऑर्डर ए बी सी डी, ड्रॉ वन डायगोनल, this one diagonal divided the quadrilateral two equal triangle, two triangles, first triangle ABC, second triangle ACD. Find out the area at, you will get it, area of quadrilateral ABCD. This is the important. Third, in the same chapter, coordinate geometry, point of trisection, point of trisection, find the point of trisection. And the third question in chapter coordinate geometry, find the area of rhombus, area of rhombus. And new question which asks in the practice papers, that is 4 equal parts, 4 equal parts, 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts means what? This is the line segment AB, it divide 3 points PQR, divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. The first ratio, first part, 1 is to next 3 parts, 2 is to 2, 3 is to 1. So we have to find out the 3 point PQR. These 3 point divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Important one. Coordinate geometry. I'll let you. Next, sets chapter. चैप्टर 2 में से LQ आने के चांसेस है, जिसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या होगा? वेन डायग्राम, रीडिंग वेन डायग्राम। So we have to read set A have how many elements? 5 elements. Set B also have 6 elements. This is the A intersection B part. A minus B, B minus A. Write and verify the formula. This is the first question. Second question, set builder form given in the set builder form, we have to convert into roster form, and we have to find the A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A, और verify. ये LQ question है. थर्ड चैप्टर है स्टूडेंट पॉलिनोमियल्स में, पॉलिनोमियल्स में इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन LQ में क्या होगा? क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल, we have to verify zeros. Any cubic polynomial, suppose p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. It's 3 0 given, 3 minus 1, 1 by 3. So we have to verify these 3 are the zero of this cubic polynomial or not. Substituting the value of 3, substituting minus 1, substituting 1 by 3. If it is satisfied, satisfy means its complete equation becomes 0, which means 3 minus 1, 1 by 3 are the zeros of a cubic polynomial. The second one, we have to verify the relationship. How to verify the relationship? Sum of the zero, product of sum, and product of the zero. These three will be there. तो ये एक important है polynomial में. Second important क्या है? LQ graph question already I have said in the polynomial, and the second important is there in the polynomial chapter, that is division algorithm. What is the division algorithm, sir? You know well, P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. So we have to given any value, P of x given, G of x given, R of x given, we have to find out the any missing value. Means suppose we have to find the G of x. By substituting order and find out the G of x. Division algorithm, this is also important in polynomial third chapter. Next we talk about the LQ in the next chapter. What is the next chapter, sir? Important? Yes. Obviously trigonometry. Trigonometry. I tell you in trigonometry The first one is a tabulated formula. Tabulated formula. Important in LAQ. If you substitute directly the proper value, you will get it marks. Half marks you will get proper substitution, half mark for the solving part. So suppose example you will get the sin square 30 plus 4 cos square 60 minus 3 sec square 45 divided by 4 sin square 45 minus 3 tan square 45 plus sin square 30. So any type of the question, we have to substitute proper values and solve. You will get it a long answer. More chances to come this type of question. Okay, trigonometry directly substituting the value. So no worry of this taking the trigonometric values. You can use the finger formula. Finger formula. What is the finger formula for learning this value? The first one 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Finger formula use कर लो इसमें. Suppose example we have to find the sin 0. Sin 0 degree means finger यहाँ से start करेंगे. Finger below divided by 2. Root finger below divided by 2. Root finger below divided by 2. Root finger below sin 0. 0 से below there is no finger. 0 by 2 means 0. Similarly sin 30. 30 root finger below. 30 से below one है finger 1 by 2. Root 1 is 1. 1 by 2. Similarly sin 45. Like this you have to find out the values, and otherwise directly you will learn the trigonometry values. And the trigonometry another question which is old question, sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. Prove that sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. This is the one question. Another question, cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This type of question we have to come in trigonometry, more chances. LAQ. So what is another question in application trigonometry? Everyone remember, application trigonometry, very easy chapter. No need to worry. Just you need to practice. You need to practice, draw the diagram of the situation. So what is the situation of diagram? Suppose example, a temple height 30 meter, two men standing in a position A and B. A and B. The angle of elevation from the one observer 45 degree, another observer 30 degree. Okay? So what we have to find? We have to find what is the distance between them. इन दोनों के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है वो फाइंड करना है. एक ऐसा एप्लीकेशन में आ सकता है. एप्लीकेशन का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इंपॉर्टेंट ये. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ये वैल्यू चेंज करते रहा. कभी 50 मीटर हाइट के जरा, कभी 60 कुछ भी देगा, एंगल चेंज करके देगा. डोंट नीड टू वरी. सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है एप्लीकेशन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में टू पोल्स ऑफ इक्वल हाइट. टू पोल्स ऑफ इक्वल हाइट. Suppose example, one pole is there, another pole is there. The distance between the two poles is given, suppose 120 meter. Here is the point of observation any. Suppose example E is a point of observation. So from this point of observation, observing the first angle 30 degree and here 45 degree. So find the distance between the observer to the first pole and observer to the second pole. This is the important, and find out what is the height of the two poles. This is an important question in application trigonometry. You must practice these two poles, and one question is okay. The third question in application trigonometry, a building and the tower. ठीक है, a building and the tower. Observe from the angle of elevation from the base of the building, foot of the building to the top of the tower is given. Suppose example 30 degree. Similarly, angle of depression from the top of the building to the foot of the tower. Top of the building से foot of the tower पे angle of depression आता. टॉप से अगर फुट पे देख रहे हैं तो एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, बॉटम से टॉप पे देखें तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. सो हियर इट इन द केस one height of the building is given. Suppose this height of the building is 50 meter. What is the height of the tower? We have to find out. You need to practice first, see the reader and all the situation diagram you have to practice. Fastly you have to practice, you can get it good marks. So this is the application trigonometry. Next question from the chapter. These are about the long answer in my case completed. Now we have to discuss SAQ, short answer question. Short answer question में से compulsory एक, this is 4 marks short answer question. Formula compulsory. What is the formula? Most of the time statistics formula. Mean, median, mode. Explain the each term. Second time progression में चले आना. Progression में sum of n term of AP में. Mean, median, mode के ग्रुप डेटा में चले आइए. या सेकंड वन में sum of n the term of AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1t. इधर जाके एक क्वेश्चन में इसमें से परफेक्शन डालो. ये फॉर्मूला है. ठीक है. थर्ड वन में क्या होता सर, ये दो फॉर्मूले. थर्ड वन में मेंसुरेशन में चले जाइए डायरेक्ट. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर 4/3 pi r cube. What is the formula? Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Express each term. So this is expression of the formulas. You will get it. How much marks? You will easily get 4 marks formula. ठीक है. चलिए the second question. What is the second question? The second question definitely you have to study in SAQ. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 irrational, 3 root 2 minus root 5 is irrational. ये पेयर के क्वेश्चन से irrational ये SAQ में आएंगे. पहले LAQ में था, previously LAQ 4 mark था. When two papers was there, SSC, math paper 1, paper 2. So these questions come in LAQ. Now it reduced to the SAQ 4 mark. So root 2 plus root 3, 3 root 2 minus root 5, these questions come in SAQ short answer question. You need to practice. Another practicing question is in logarithm chapter. So what is the question? Suppose example, x square plus y square is equal to 27xy. Then show that x plus y whole square is equal to log x plus log y plus 3 log 2. So this type of question will come in examination. So ऐसा question में जो भी कोई है इसमें practice करिए, you will get it good marks. 4 marks SAQ second one. Third question SAQ obviously come from the chapter that is fourth chapter. We are having fourth chapter quadratic equation, pair of linear equation, and fifth chapter quadratic equation. Quadratic equation में से question आ सकता है आपको 4 mark में. Quadratic equation most of the time the question will come that is a problem solving question. Problem solving question means you have to find out the value of k. Find the value of k. ठीक है. You have the equal roots. So कैसा देगा सर? Find kx square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0 has equal roots. Find the value of k equal roots. 4 marks. Word problem in 4 marks from the chapter quadratic equation, 5th chapter. Word problem. Sum of the two consecutive number is 27. Okay, and differences of their square is another number. Find out these two numbers. So this type of question come in SAQ. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में कंपलसरी पढ़ना है आपको. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस में कंपलसरी क्वेश्चंस पढ़ना है. इक्वल रूट्स. इक्वल रूट्स क्या होता है साहब? ये b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है. दिस इज SAQ क्वेश्चन having equal roots. Next one in the quadratic equation, finding the roots of equation. Finding roots of equation. ये सब quadratic equation के SAQ क्वेश्चन है. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट है आपको SAQ में प्रोग्रेशन चैप्टर. प्रोग्रेशन चैप्टर में क्या देता सर? कॉमनली देख रहे हैं प्रोग्रेशन. विच टर्म ऑफ जीपी, विच टर्म ऑफ एपी, विच टर्म ऑफ जीपी ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन और विच टर्म ऑफ एपी. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. एन के टर्म तक जाना, डायरेक्ट इसमें एन की वैल्यू फाइंड करो या इसमें एन की वैल्यू फाइंड करो. सीरीज याद करना है जीपी की. a plus ar square so on to ar power n minus 1. ap की सीरीज a plus d plus a plus 2d so on to a plus n minus 1d. दोनों सीरीज में से कंपैरिजन करके n की वैल्यू निकाल लो. विच टर्म में आसानी से आपको प्रोग्रेशन की मिल जाएगी. ठीक है. एक बात है एप्लीकेशन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में सिचुएशन ड्रॉ द डायग्राम फॉर द सिचुएशन इज गिवन a man stand at certain distance from the top of the tower so angle of elevation is 60 degree we have to draw the diagram for the situation this is important question compulsory situation practice question another one is there pair of linear equation two variable में से no solution first one the second one unique solution. No solution means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Unique solution means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. No solution, unique solution. Important है. Find the value of p. Suppose example px plus 7y plus 9 equal to 0. 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. Have no solution. Have no solution. Find p value. How to find out? Directly a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. p by 2 is equal to 7 by minus 5. 7 by क्रॉस इंटू कर दो 2 7 का 14 हो जाएगा 14 बाई 5 माइनस ऊपर आ गया तो p की वैल्यू क्या हो गई माइनस 14 बाई 5 इजी मेथड है ये कंपलसरी करके जाना नो सॉल्यूशन यूनिक सॉल्यूशन ओके कंपैरिजन एंड फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज. Next question in the pair of linear equation in two variable unexpected it comes a question elimination method substitution method that method also you have to practice. So all the dear students best of luck to you practice you, I hope you understood my video my class today and you need to do a lot of practice for tomorrow exam. Best of luck for tomorrow exam. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.